Greetings everybody, I'm Dave Matuzik and I'm a solutions consultant here at Trimech, and I'm going to talk about how to bring hole wizard data directly into Mastercam for feature-based machining. I have a plate here in front of me in SOLIDWORKS that I need to manufacture. And when I import that plate in, it'll come directly into Mastercam as a dumb solid. The problem is, as with most CAD packages, tapped holes are created as callouts. So rather than drawing a tapped hole, it simply has a callout on it. And my problem I'm having right now is this plate has several hundred 5/16 drilled holes and several hundred 3/8/16 tapped holes. And it's very hard for me to tell the difference between which one is which. And I'm really worried I may accidentally thread a hole I don't mean to thread, or forget to thread a hole, or forget to thread all the holes in general. So what I can do when I do my machining, it's pretty simple. Let me show you here. I'm just going to come here to my feature-based drilling. And I'm in my hole detection. I just got to tell it which plane I'm going to use, and I'll detect all my holes. And you'll see here that it created many 5/16 holes. And I know some of them aren't. So what are we going to do? Because I have SOLIDWORKS installed on the same computer, it's just simply a matter of importing the SOLIDWORKS hole wizard data. So I'm just going to come down here and select the SOLIDWORKS file. Grab that file, open it, and it's going to talk to SOLIDWORKS now to figure out which holes are created which way. So you can see here that it brought in 472 features that matched the SOLIDWORKS file. And it's smart enough to know now that these are tapped holes. If I scroll down a little bit, we can see that we also have drilled holes. And the little red rectangle says that it read the data directly from SOLIDWORKS. Let's hit OK and generate our toolpath. And there we go. There are all of my toolpaths created. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.